Hi everybody, this is Michelle Litwiller with OWLET Stampers, and I am super excited to share with you my November class to go. It is the ultimate Santa's Workshop. This class is one of my most popular classes that I do live in my studio, and this year I decided to bring it online to share with you no matter where you're at. In this class, you're going to get to make over 8 different little gifts and stocking stuffers that you can reproduce for the friends, family, gifts, teachers, neighbors that you need in your life. So let me give you a quick sneak peek at what you're going to make. In this class, you are going to get over $30 in products if you select that option, and we have some cute little gift packaging for little gifts and gift card holders or little treats and candies that you will get to make, and post-it note holders and some gift card holders, as well as some fun little gift tags and another little candy treat holder and a lip balm holder. So those are all of the projects, and there is a whole pile of them here for you that you get to make in this class. Again, all your pieces are prepped for you. You will have the option to add on the perfectly plaid bundle at a discount. That's what I use in this class, and so if you don't have it, you can add that on as a discount if you don't, or substitute with what you have. You have until November 19th to register for this class. Click the link below for all the other details and options that are available, and I hope you don't miss out on this awesome, fun class.